The extended debugging with the execution values allows you to display the actual variable value at the code position at the time when it's processed. What that means in particular, I will show you later in the programs I coded. And I did two examples, one in structured text and one in function blocks. But first, if you want to use the execution values, we have to go in the cockpit, and it's important that you are not connected with the controller. To use the execution values, we need to go into the settings of the extended debugging, and you will find the drop-down menu here in the top right corner of the cockpit. Press the button, and here we have the execution values that we can set and activate. We also can combine it with debugging functions here. But for now we want to use only the execution value. Now we have to select the POUs that we want to activate the execution values in. So I coded two programs and I will activate it for both of them. Press OK. And it will download the project to the controller. Okay, once that's done, we can connect with the controller. Yes. So you might have to type in your username and password and also switch into debug mode. So then we go into our programming pages, right click and go to our instance editor. So here we can see the online values. What you normally see is that the last value that is written to a variable is displayed as the value of the variable. Like you can see here, the last value that has been written to the variable is 0. So 0 is displayed in all of the variables. But when we switch to the execution value mode, it's this icon right here, so we press it. We can see that it shows the actual variable value at the code position at the time of the processing. So right here, 1 is added to 0, so the actual value in this line of the variable is 1. You can also see the execution indication signs, and one black line means that the variable has been updated once in the current cycle, and if there's two black lines, it means that the variable has been uploaded more than once in the current cycle, so for example in a loop. Let's switch to the function block code sheet. So here we have to open the program instance 2. Here it's basically the same code. It adds 1 to the variable in each step, and at the beginning I subtract 3, so we end up to 0 again. But here is the same as in the structured text. Only the last value that has been written to the variable is shown as the actual value of the variable. And we can also activate the execution value mode here, and you will see that it shows the actual variable value at the code position at the time when it's processed. You can also see those execution indication signs here. It's this, it's the black line here, and it's also what you can also see is the black rectangle. And that means that this program part is currently being processed. There's also a white one, and that means the opposite, so that it's not being processed in this current cycle.